A drive and apprenticeship is not just about learning information. It is about learning how to run your shop with clarity, structure, and real support. Our apprenticeship programs go beyond traditional coaching. You work directly with a master coach to build and apply real systems inside your business every week. For 10 to 16 weeks, you work one-on-one with your coach, complete real assignments, and build systems that last. By the end of the program, you're no longer guessing. You have clear processes, documented systems, and confidence in how your shop operates. Depending on where you are in your journey, there is an apprenticeship designed for you. The Playbook Apprenticeship helps you build strong policies, procedures, and daily operations. The EPA, Executive Planning Apprenticeship, focuses on leadership, strategy, and long-term growth. This program is designed for owners who are ready for advanced planning and accountability. It includes weekly one-on-one coaching and focused business planning. The Freedom Apprenticeship helps you create a business that does not depend on you every hour of every day. The Shop Manager Apprenticeship trains you and your manager together for consistent leadership and performance. No matter your starting point, our apprenticeship programs give you structure, support, and real results.